Have you ever wondered how many untold stories our Earth holds? From the whispering winds of the Sahara to the echoing silence of the Himalayas, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of the Seychelles, our Earth is a treasure trove of tales waiting to be told. Imagine the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, its depths teeming with life, each creature playing a part in a grand underwater symphony. Picture the majestic mountains of the Andes, their peaks piercing the sky, a testament to Earth's raw, unyielding power. Visualize the lush green forests of the Amazon, a cacophony of sounds filling the air, each leaf, each creature, each drop of water humming with life. Now, let your thoughts wander to the vast arid deserts, the scorching sands of the Sahara, or the icy tundra of Siberia, each a world of its own, each a testament to the resilience of life. But what is the Earth without its vibrant cultures? The vibrant festivals of India, the rhythmic dances of Africa, the ancient traditions of Europe, and the futuristic cityscapes of Asia, all paint a vivid tapestry of human existence. Each culture, each tradition, each human story adds a unique color to the rainbow that is our Earth. And let's not forget our fellow Earthlings, the elephants of Africa, the kangaroos of Australia, the tigers of Asia. Each creature, big or small, has a tale to tell, a role to play in the grand drama of life on Earth. Our Earth is a wonder, a marvel of diversity and unity, a symphony of life. It is a world of contrasts and harmonies, of vast landscapes and minute details, of roaring lions and silent butterflies, of ancient traditions and modern innovations. It is a world of untold stories, each waiting to be discovered, each waiting to be told. These are the stories that the amazing Earth Channel aims to bring to light, from the depths of the oceans to the heights of the mountains. From the bustling cities to the tranquil forests, from the vibrant cultures to the diverse wildlife. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the wonder that is our Earth. But what about the stories that we as humans have with our Earth? Our world is vast and varied, a tapestry woven from 1,000 different threads, each one a testament to the human experience. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the serene tea gardens of Kyoto, every corner of our planet tells a unique story. Consider for a moment the vibrant festivals bursting with color and life, the rhythm of drums in Rio during Carnival, the sky ablaze with lanterns during Yipeng in Thailand, the eerie beauty of Venice during Carnivale. Each celebration is a reflection of the human spirit, our capacity for joy, creativity, and community. Then think of the traditional dances passed down through generations, each movement telling a story, each rhythm echoing the heartbeat of a culture. The fiery flamenco of Spain, the graceful Kathak of India, the powerful haka of the Maori. These dances are more than just entertainment. They are an expression of a people's history, their struggles and triumphs, their very identity. Next, picture the bustling street markets, filled with the scent of spices and the sound of haggling, the vibrant stalls of Istanbul's Grand Bazaar, the noisy fish markets of Tokyo's Tsukiji, the colorful fruit vendors of Mexico City. These markets are not just places of commerce, but social hubs, where stories are exchanged as readily as goods. And finally, imagine the local artisans at work, their hands deftly shaping clay, weaving fabric, carving wood, the intricate batik patterns of Indonesia, the delicate porcelain of China, the rustic pottery of Morocco. These crafts are not just objects of beauty, but symbols of a community's heritage, their connection to the earth and its resources. Every festival, every dance, every market, every craft, they all tell a story. They tell the story of our shared humanity, of our shared home. They tell the story of how, despite our differences, we are all connected by the earth we live on, by the stories we tell, by the experiences we share. These are the stories that connect us, that make us one. How do we, as caretakers, take responsibility for our earth? In the grand tapestry of life, we are not merely spectators, but active participants. We are the stewards of this amazing planet, tasked with the responsibility of preserving its beauty and bounty for generations to come. Imagine the countless individuals around the world, rolling up their sleeves and getting their hands dirty. They're not just planting trees, but sowing seeds of hope. Each sapling is a promise to the future, a testament to the resilience of life and our commitment to nurturing it. Let's not forget the scientists and engineers, the dreamers and the doers. Through their tireless efforts, they are harnessing the power of the sun, the wind, and the tides, transforming them into clean, renewable energy. This energy lights up our homes, powers our vehicles, and drives our industries, all while reducing our carbon footprint. And then there are the everyday heroes among us, those who make sustainability a way of life. They reduce, reuse, recycle. They choose public transportation over private cars. They opt for locally sourced produce over imported goods. These may seem like small steps, but collectively they make a huge difference. We also have the guardians of our wildlife, the protectors of our biodiversity. They venture into the heart of the wilderness, brave the harshest conditions, all to ensure that every creature, from the majestic elephant to the tiny honeybee, has a fighting chance for survival. These are the people who realize that stewardship is not a choice, but a duty that we owe to ourselves, to each other, and most importantly, to the earth. Because in the end, we are not inheriting the earth from our ancestors, but borrowing it from our descendants. So, as we journey through this remarkable planet, let's remember that every step we take, every choice we make, has an impact. And it's up to us to ensure that this impact is a positive one. After all, we are the custodians of our planet's past, present, and future. These are the stories of our responsibility, our stewardship. What if you could be part of these stories? It's a question that invites curiosity, fuels passion, and kindles the spirit of exploration. As we journey through this vast and beautiful world, each step we take uncovers a new story, a new perspective, a new piece of the intricate puzzle that is our Earth. Imagine for a moment the feeling of sand between your toes as you walk along a pristine beach, the sound of waves gently breaking in the distance. Picture yourself standing atop a majestic mountain, feeling the cool breeze brush across your face, the panoramic view of the world below taking your breath away. Picture the thrill of navigating through a bustling market in a foreign city, the aroma of exotic spices filling the air, the vibrant colors and sounds enveloping you. All these experiences and more are part of an amazing journey, a journey into the heart of our planet. A journey that's not just about seeing new places, but about understanding and connecting with them. It's about feeling the pulse of the world, its rhythm, its heartbeat. It's about immersing yourself in different cultures, learning from them, and growing as a person. And the best part? This journey is not a solitary one. It's a journey that millions share, each one with their own unique experiences, insights, and stories to tell. It's a journey that brings us closer together, that helps us understand each other better, that fosters unity in our diverse world. So, whether you're a seasoned explorer or just starting out, whether you prefer the hustle and bustle of city life or the tranquility of nature, there's a place for you in this journey. There's a story for you to discover, a story for you to share. And remember, the journey doesn't end when you reach your destination. It continues with every person you meet, every memory you make, every story you share. Because in the end, it's not just about the places you go, but the people you meet, the experiences you have, and the stories you tell. These are the stories waiting for you to discover. What does the future hold for our amazing Earth? As we look ahead, we navigate the uncharted waters of the future with an inherent sense of curiosity and wonder. Our Earth, this vast and vibrant home of ours, teems with life and potential. The beauty of our planet is not just in its landscapes and creatures, but in the stories it carries. Stories of resilience, innovation, and hope. In the grand scheme of things, we're just a blink in the story of Earth. Yet, we've been given the incredible opportunity to be the custodians of this planet. Our actions today will determine the chapters in Earth's future narrative. It's a responsibility that's as humbling as it is inspiring. Imagine a future where the roar of the lion echoes unchallenged across the African savanna, where the Asian tiger prowls freely in the lush forests, where the kangaroo bounds effortlessly across the Australian outback. Imagine a future where the air is clean, the seas are clear, and every species thrives in its natural habitat. It's a future where our cities are not just concrete jungles, but thriving ecosystems, where skyscrapers coexist with sprawling green spaces, where renewable energy powers our lives and sustainable practices are the norm. But this is not just a distant dream. It's a future we're actively shaping, one where we learn to live in harmony with nature, where we respect and protect the life around us. A future where every individual, every community, every nation understands and embraces their role in safeguarding our amazing Earth. As we stand on the cusp of tomorrow, we carry with us a spirit of optimism and a commitment to stewardship. We carry the smiles of every person who's ever marveled at a sunset, the joy of every child who's ever held a seashell to their ear, and the hope of every heart that beats for a better tomorrow. These are the stories of our future, of our amazing Earth.